A typical customer of a marketing agency goes through 4 stages of lifecycle: acquisition, onboarding, growth, and account management. And there are 3 key teams within the agency that are responsible for each of these stages of lifecycle. Those 3 teams are sales team, account management team, and finally finance team. Hi, I'm Sarath from Saras Analytics, and in this video we're going to talk about the lifecycle stages of a customer within a marketing agency, what are the teams that are involved, and what are the pain points of these teams across the lifecycle stages. And finally, we'll see how our solution can help solve these pain points. First, look at what are some of the key responsibilities of the sales team. This team is also called as business development team. Some of the main tasks are identifying a potential customer, presenting their solution to the customer, audit the existing marketing setup, identify gaps and opportunities within this setup, make some recommendations, simulate the results after implementing the recommendations. If successful, onboard the client. Now let's go through some of the pain points that the sales team goes through on a day-to-day basis in handling these responsibilities. So first of all, getting access to the potential customer's data and conducting the exhaustive audit on this infrastructure, on the current marketing setup, is a tedious manual process. So this is not done for all the potential clients, but only for the potential clients that are deemed premium. This is the time that can be utilized for more sales activities. And imagine if the sales team is able to show a live dashboard which simulates the results of their recommendations, how impactful that would be. Let's talk about the second team, which is the account management team. This is the team that actually does the onboarding of the client, and this requires setting up of the entire data pipeline structure, right? Setting up of the ETL, the central data warehouse, creating all the transformations and data modeling that are required for reporting, and finally setting up the dashboarding itself. This team is also responsible for the growth of the account, which involves ads optimization and on a regular basis obtaining insights on performance of various campaigns, placements, keywords, bidding, etc. Now, what are the pain points of this team? First of all, there are multiple Amazon sources. Once we get the access to the Amazon account of the client, there are multiple sources, which is Amazon sponsored brands, sponsored products, sponsored display. There is Amazon SP API, which has information about inventory, sales, financial reports, etc. Also, the account management team is often responsible for multiple accounts, multiple clients. So this setup needs to be done repeatedly for all these accounts. There are various account managers in the team that are responsible for one or more clients. This requires the account managers to perform tedious manual data collection process and creating the end reports. And even then, there is a severe lack of data accuracy because of the human involvement that is required. As the entire time goes into setting up this basic infrastructure for reporting, there's very little time spent on finding actual insights from this data. The account managers as well as the clients often are left desiring more frequent reports. And the final team that is responsible for clients across these stages is the finance team. Some of the responsibilities of this team are getting revenue, ad revenue and ad sales from different account managers for all the existing clients. Get the commission structure that is agreed with each of these clients, which sometimes can get quite complicated and is unique to each client. Once these numbers are present, generate the invoices and share the invoices with the clients. And the typical pain points here are manually gathering these inputs from account managers across different clients. Often is a very tedious process, so done only once a month. And there is a severe lack of visibility into future revenue projections or cash flow projections. There is again the data quality issue that comes in because the entire process is manual and very error prone, and there is almost no visibility into SKU level margin performance or revenue performance. So Daton is our data replication tool that enables businesses to consolidate their enterprise data into a single data warehouse and be ready to perform data analytics in a few minutes. Daton has industry leading security. It is easy to set up and also offers a 14 days trial period for testing. It contains over 150 integrations. Daton is a world leader in e-commerce connectors such as Amazon and Walmart, but also Shopify, Recharge, etc. And hundreds of customers that currently use Daton can testify that. If you want to know more about Daton, please watch our videos on the tool, or better yet, reach out to us directly. When the sales team identifies a potential customer, all they need to do is direct them to your website where this potential customer can connect to their Amazon account. All the reports are automatically generated, providing insights into all the key marketing KPIs: right? Ad sales, ad spend, ACOS, total ACOS, right? CPC. The dashboards are presented at a campaign level or keyword level or even at a nascent level. You can understand the KPIs, how and their behavior across a time period to identify any seasonalities. Vet these numbers against the industry benchmarks. Compare product level performance across different time periods, and also look at the historic trends for key metrics. Now that all this is automated, you can spend more time on identifying gaps and opportunities within the current marketing setup. Once you have identified your strategies, the tool can even simulate the results of this strategy. Let's look at how the tool can solve some of the pain points of the account management team. Onboarding can be done automatically using the details from the self-register phase, where you don't have to set up any ETL, data warehouse, or reporting infrastructure. That is all automatically done. Some of the reports that are automatically generated once you onboard the client: an executive overview, which provides a snapshot of the business performance across different areas. There are reports that are generated for internal stakeholders as well as for external stakeholders. And there are different access level permissions that can be given to the internal employees vis-a-vis external stakeholders. There are automated reports for weekly, monthly, and quarterly reviews. Some of the insights that the reports provide in terms of ads optimization are wasted ad spend, campaign placement report, forecasting, and keyword bidding performance. Some of the other reports that are also available are P&L dashboard, profit and loss statement, and a date comparison dashboard. There are also reports available for vendor central and seller central accounts. If the agency is not just the marketing agency but also a full stack agency, then there are reports automatically generated providing insights on inventory, warehousing, and returns. You can get information on refunds, reimbursements that are pending from Amazon, chargebacks, purchase orders, and so on. Key stakeholders can also get alerts on any business anomaly real time. And of course, the dashboards are available for white labeling as well. Adding new client or a new marketplace is a matter of few clicks. And finally, when it comes to the pain points of finance team, there are dashboards that show insights on profit and loss on a daily basis at an SKU level. It can't get better than that. Once the dashboards are set up, they are updated automatically every day. The commission structure that we spoke about, which can be sometimes unique to each client and quite complicated. All the structures are based on total revenue, while there are others that are based on the ad revenue. There is a fixed component to it, and so on. Right? All this logic can be baked into the tool, and these commission reports are automatically generated at the end of the month. Once this logic is baked into the system, the tool also shows what is the projected revenue or projected cash flow for the rest of the month. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Contact details are mentioned in the description below. See you in the next video.